Hello, truck drivers. Welcome to Trucker Food and Things. Today we're making apple barbecue Southwest ribs. With 3 pounds, this makes 4 servings at approximately 280 calories per serving. Notice how I place the ribs in there so you leave a spot for the rest of your ingredients. Once you've done that, core and slice up 2 Granny Smith apples and place them inside the well where there's a spot open in between the ribs. Now if you notice I'm using a coring tool, it's really easy to use. It takes about 2 seconds to cut up an apple, but you can always use a knife. I love this thing, it just makes life so much simpler. Next, go ahead and chop up a whole onion and put it right on top of those apples. Now add a 1/4 cup of apple cider. Now don't forget when you're done making this that you need to strap your crock pot down in the truck so it doesn't tip over. And also you're going to need about 700 watts of continuous power to plug into your inverter. Next you'll add a 1/4 cup of honey right on top of all the other ingredients. Now I don't like a real strong barbecue flavor, so I only added half a bottle of the barbecue sauce. Feel free to add however much you like to your taste. Expect to take about 7 minutes to prepare this meal and about 5 hours to cook down. It's easy to know because the ribs are just going to break apart when they're done. Now I added a salad. Feel free to add whatever sides you choose. I hope you try this meal and you enjoy it. If you like this, please find us also on YouTube, Facebook, and MeWe at Trucker Food and Things, on Twitter at Trucker Food, or on my website. Thank you, and please like, share, subscribe, and leave commentary.